could say that many individuals in my life have inspired me to become teachers, because when I was taking my master's at the university, they were like professors who really like, I really liked the way they were teaching, like to adults. So that is what I really like, okay, wait, that is what really inspired me. It's like, okay, I can be a teacher too. I can teach the students. I can ignite the small brains and say, okay, because they are the future of our society. And I am building the community to give the community the best that they can get. What I've learned is give them enough support when they need it, hold their hand when they are learning, and then back off when they get it. And that will something that will give them the confidence, the boost. It's like, I can do it too. If the others are doing, I can do it too. That kind of stuff, like building the confidence in the kids, is something that I really do in my classroom. Empathy, that is something we have to know. The kids come from different backgrounds. I can control my classroom life, the school life of a kid, but I have no control over their home life. So I have to step in. I have to be a teacher. If I have to be a teacher, sometimes I have to be a parent, because they are so tiny. They might not get that love, that affection that they need. But if they're coming to my classroom, I know what they want. So that is my thing. Like when kids are coming to my classroom, I definitely want to know about their backgrounds, their cultures. That really helps me to understand their perspective and just support them as much as possible.